Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to show line numbers in Notepad++. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Now open a new file and type a few lines of text. You should see the line numbers on the left side of the editor. If the line numbers are not visible, click on Settings at the top. Then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look at the menu on the left and click on Margins, Border, and Edge. Here, you can manage the margins and line number display in the editor. Make sure the line number margin is enabled and visible. After checking the setting, close the Preferences window. Now return to the editor and look at the left side of your document. You should see numbers such as 1, 2, 3, and 4 next to each line. Try adding a few more lines of text. The line numbers will automatically continue. You can also delete a line, and Notepad++ will automatically update the line numbers. Line numbers are very useful when working with code because they make it easier to find and refer to specific lines. And that's it. Now you know how to show line numbers in Notepad++. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notepad++ tutorials.